What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your history on Rednote. So once you're inside the Rednote app, tap on me at the bottom and you want to scroll across with these different blocks or options here. It says shops, orders, cart, inspiration, and history. Tap on history. Now you will find different videos and pictures or whatever posts that you have viewed in the past. All you have to do is simply tap on manage at the top there, and you want to simply go ahead and tap those different posts that you want to delete, and you will see that it gives a checkbox, and just simply tap on delete, and that's it. Now if you want to delete everything all at once, simply tap on, for example, one as an option there, and at the lower left hand side you will see select all. You tap on that, it's going to select everything for you, as you can see there, and then you want to tap on delete and then confirm, and that's going to delete everything that you've viewed in the past on the Rednote. And that's it, clears your record, you have a clean slate, and of course that's how you go ahead and delete your history on a Rednote, guys. Very easy and very simple.